everyone, this is Anshuman Gupta. Welcome you all in RAS News channel. Let's see top news headlines of this week. Starting with some of the national news. Heavy rain causes floods in Dehradun. 2 missing. Great Nicobar project will displace tribal communities, threaten their survival, said by Jairam Ramesh. Now some international news. Donald Trump to file $15 billion defamation and libel lawsuits against New York Times. Tinder swindler Simon Levy arrested in Georgia. Now some entertainment news. Demon Slayer Infinity Castle box office day 3rd. India records staggering first weekend. Farah Khan compares Baba Ramdev to Salman Khan as she visits his ashram. She also lives in 1 BHK and has built palaces for everyone else. Now some education news. How universities bypass UGC pay rules to exploit contractual faculty. 4. IIMS to streamline MBA admissions with new joint processes. Now some sports news. Armand Duplantis break 4-vault world record for 14th to capture 3rd world championship title. Kuldeep continues to bombard Pakistan batters with his mastery. Now some other news. GCC to activate defense mechanisms. Doha summit slames Israel's Qatar attack. Diver held for killing finance minister officer took victim to hospital 20 km away. Now school news. Half-yearly examination in Raj English School is now going on. Then CBSE news. CBSE announces special exam provision for class 10th, 12th sports and Olympiad students. Some Scout Guide news. BSG, the 167th reorientation course for trainers, South Scout Wing, especially for Uttar Pradesh State Association. Let's meet after a short break. Now let's see these news headlines in detail. Starting with some of the national news. Heavy rains on Monday night, September 15, 2025, caused floods in Dehradun's area, damaging road and requiring the state disaster response force to carry out rescue operations to help those left stranded. Flagging over the Great Nicobar Mega Infrastructure Project. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh on Tuesday, September 16, 2025, claimed that it will disrupt and displace the tribal communities and threaten their survival and well-being, which would go against all extant regulation, policies and laws. Some international news. US President Donald Trump said on Monday, September 15, 2025, he would file a $15 billion lawsuits for defamation and libel against the New York Times, days after the newspaper released articles on his ties to disgraced financier Jeffrey Epstein. Israeli forester Simon Levy, made famous by Netflix documentary The Tinder Swindler, has been arrested in Georgia, officials said Monday to 15 September 2025. Now some entertainment news. Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba Infinity Castle registered a historic opening weekend in India. The Japanese film became the biggest non-Hollywood foreign grosser in the country in just 3 days. Filmmaker and choreographer Farah Khan recently visited Baba Ramdev's ashram in Haridwar for a new episode of her cooking vlog. The visit turned into a fun and light-hearted exchange filled with humor, warmth and some unexpected Bollywood moments. Now some education news. Despite the University Grants Commission UGC prescribing a clear salary structure for assistant professor, thousands of faculty members in government as well as private institutions continue to be hired on short-term contracts, often at salaries far below the statutory norms. The Indian Institutes of Management, Kashipur, Raipur and Ranchi have announced the launch of Joint Admission Process JAP 2026 for MBA admission. Now some sports news. Armand Duplantis broke the pole vault world record for 14th time Monday night, clearing 6.30 meters to capture his 3rd world championship. For the best wrist spinner, creating an illusion of spin when there is precious little is an essential part of their big craft. They managed to do so by combining the nuances of drift, flight, dip, and subtle change in point of release, luring batters into their traps, hook, line, and sinkers. Now, some other news. 38-year-old woman from Gurgaon was arrested on Monday, a day after the BMW fatality. His finance minister, Deputy Secretary Navjot Singh, killing him and critically injuring his wife Sandeep Kaur in southwest Delhi's Daula Khan police state. An emergency summit of Arab and Islamic countries' leaders held in Doha has condemned Israel's attack on Hamas leader in Qatari capital, but the participants made no promises of concerted action. Now, school news. Half-yearly examination is going in Raj School from 5th of September. Now, CBSE related news. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has issued special provision for class 10th and 12th students who will be appearing for board exams 2026 and will also be participating in national or international sports events and Olympiads. At last but not the least, some Scout Guide news. BSG India, the 167th reorientation course for trainers, Scout Wing, especially for Uttar Pradesh Association, commenced on 15 September 2025 at the Bharat Scout and Guides State Training and Adventure Center in Saketla. The course is being conducted under the leadership of Sri S.S. Rai, Deputy Director of Scouts Leader Training. It is scheduled to run for 5 days from 15 September 2025 to 19 September 2025. That's all. Thank you and stay connected with RAS News channel.